In a world where climate change is intensifying weather patterns, the need to predict extreme weather events accurately and quickly has never been greater. That's where a groundbreaking partnership between Nvidia and the UK's Met Office comes into play. This collaboration is using the power of artificial intelligence and high-performance computing to revolutionize how we forecast weather, especially the kind that poses serious threats to lives and infrastructure. The UK Met Office is one of the most advanced national weather services in the world. It's responsible for issuing weather warnings, forecasting storms, and helping both the public and governments prepare for everything from heat waves to floods. But traditional forecasting methods are increasingly being pushed to their limits. Predicting extreme weather events like hurricanes, torrential rainfall, or rapid temperature shifts often requires more detailed models, faster processing, and the ability to interpret massive volumes of atmospheric data. This is where Nvidia, the global leader in AI and GPU computing, steps in. Nvidia is providing powerful AI models and high-performance computing tools that allow the Met Office to run simulations that are far more detailed and faster than ever before. By combining Nvidia's supercomputing power with the Met Office's deep expertise in meteorology, the aim is to create a next-generation weather prediction system. At the heart of this effort is a technology called ForecastNet, developed by Nvidia. It's a deep learning model trained on decades of climate and weather data. Unlike traditional weather models that run on physical simulations of the Earth's atmosphere, ForecastNet learns from patterns in historical data and predicts future outcomes with remarkable speed. It can generate forecasts in seconds instead of hours, without needing to solve complex mathematical equations about air movement or energy transfer. The result? Incredibly fast and surprisingly accurate weather forecasts. ForecastNet can predict the path of a storm or the likelihood of flooding with almost the same accuracy as traditional models, but at a fraction of the time and computational cost. That means emergency services and local governments can react faster. It also opens up new possibilities for real-time forecasting, something that's becoming crucial as climate change leads to more unpredictable weather. But what makes this even more exciting is how it scales. Nvidia's platform allows the Met Office to use massive AI models and apply them across ultra-high-resolution datasets. We're talking about global climate simulations down to just a few kilometers in detail. That level of resolution is game-changing because it lets forecasters see microclimate behavior, like how a storm might behave differently in a valley versus a mountain range. It's like switching from a blurry map to a 4K satellite image of the future. The UK government has already invested over £1 billion in a new supercomputer for the Met Office, expected to come online in 2027. But this collaboration with Nvidia fast-tracks some of the benefits by leveraging AI right now. Nvidia's Earth 2 platform, which combines AI, digital twins, and accelerated computing, is a central piece of this puzzle. The idea is to build a kind of digital replica of the Earth's climate system, something that can be experimented with and analyzed to predict not just next week's weather, but long-term climate patterns too. This partnership isn't just about Britain. The technology developed here could help countries around the world predict disasters earlier and more precisely. That could save thousands of lives and billions in damages. Imagine giving communities in flood-prone areas an extra day's notice, or predicting heat waves that strain power grids days in advance. That's the kind of future Nvidia and the Met Office are working toward. And it's not just weather that could benefit. These advances in AI-driven simulations can also support agriculture, aviation, energy, and even national defense. Any industry that relies on understanding atmospheric changes stands to gain from faster, smarter predictions. Farmers can plan irrigation better. Airlines can avoid turbulence with greater precision. Renewable energy providers can optimize solar and wind generation more effectively. Still, it's important to remember that AI isn't replacing traditional meteorology. It's enhancing it. Human experts are still essential for interpreting the results, understanding the risks, and making final decisions. The AI models are powerful tools, but they work best when combined with the judgment of skilled forecasters and climate scientists. There are also challenges. AI models like ForecastNet are only as good as the data they're trained on. and the climate is changing fast, so training data must constantly be updated to reflect new trends. There's also the question of transparency. Unlike physics-based models,